Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add signature in your Gmail account. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your Gmail and select on the top right hand corner settings gear. Right now there have an option see all settings. Simply select it. So after that you just need to scroll down and here you can find option signature. You can see signature. Here is no signatures. I want to create a signature, that's why I select create new. And right, first of all you just need to type your name. So I just give you an example. Here you can see. Right now select create, and this one is not your signature. Here on the side there have an option to write your signature. Here you can see I already copy a signature template. So here you can see that's I just paste. Here you can see you just type your name, then a line, and right now you can add phone number, your website or Gmail, then Facebook, YouTube or LinkedIn, any idea you can add. Also you can edit it, like here you can see you can make it bold, like here in this way you can make it bold. Also if you just want to add, if you don't want text, if you just want to add a picture like a PNG file signature you just want to add, you can add it. Like there have an option insert image, just select it and you can upload it. Here you can see you can upload it from Google Drive or any other file. So after add your signature, just scroll down and here have an option save change, just select it. Then you successfully add signature in your Gmail account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.